Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Visa gift card. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Google and then just type in activate Visa gift card, and then you will see this website here, visaprepaidprocessing.com, or you can straight away go to this site here, visaprepaid.com. So just open up that link here. So Visa gift card, activate my card option here. So just once you're on this card here, so now all you have to do is simply click on activate my card. So at the moment we are already on that page, so hit on activate my card, and then all you have to do now is type in the card number of your Visa gift card. So once you've typed in your card number, hit on continue and complete the process. So and then once you hit on continue, then it will verify your card, and then it will get you your it will activate the card for you. So it's pretty easy and a straightforward process. If you have purchased your gift card from physical stores, then it will be activated upon purchase from your physical store as well, wherever you have purchased it. But other than that, you can also activate it online through this website here. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video.